Welcome to the wonderful world of origami, the art of folding paper into beautiful shapes. Origami sparks creativity and patience as you transform a simple sheet of paper into cranes, fortune tellers, animals, and more. Today, we'll explore an easy origami project. Start with a square piece of paper, color side down dot. Fold the paper diagonally in half to form a triangle dot, crease well, and unfold. Fold diagonally the other way and crease well again. Dot. Turn the paper over to the white side dot. Fold the paper in half horizontally. Crease and unfold dot. Fold in half vertically. Crease well and unfold dot. Now comma. Bring the top 3 corners down to the bottom corner, collapsing the paper into a smaller square shape dot. Flatten the model by pressing along the folds dot. Fold the top layer's right and left edges to the center line, making a kite shape dot. Crease well dot. Unfold the flaps and fold the top triangle down over the edges. Dot. Crease and unfold dot. Lift the bottom flap from the bottom point, opening it upwards while folding the sides inward along creases dot. Flatten down into a diamond shape dot. Turn the model over and repeat the kite folds on the other side. Fold sides to the center and unfold. Fold the top triangle down and unfold. Then open the bottom flap and flatten into a diamond dot. Fold the bottom edges of the diamond upwards on both sides dot. Crease well. Then unfold dot. Perform inside reverse folds along the creases. Tuck the sides inside to form the neck and tail shapes dot. Choose one pointed thin flap for the crane's head dot. Make a small inside reverse fold on the tip to shape the head dot. Fold down the wings on both sides dot. Pull the wings gently apart and your origami crane is complete. Enjoy your beautiful crane, a timeless symbol of peace and creativity.